Well, hello there, folks. I just want to do a quick video to answer some of the questions that are coming through for me for what's going to be involved in the event on the 19th and 20th, the Workshop Facilitation Mastery Event that people are coming along to if they want to. So essentially, I've put together this event to really showcase the cool stuff that's in this book, Creating Transformation. Now, this is a book that I put together basically a culmination of what I've learned, what I've discovered over the last 10, 12 years of training and presenting, running workshops here in Australia and internationally, and essentially discovering what works to create transformation in individuals and in groups as well. Now, many people that are coming along to this event are, for example, Certificate 4 and Training Assessment graduates that have gone out to the marketplace and they've realized that they needed a little bit more to be able to be really successful. And they've been looking for solutions and strategies and structures on how to put together their information to have an even bigger impact on the audiences. And maybe they've been a little bit frustrated with not having access to the tools and being able to really create massive levels of engagement in their audiences. Now, I've also put it together for essentially entrepreneurs that want to launch their very first workshop or even enhance their current workshops that they are putting together. And in this, I guess, two-day event that I've put together and I'm really excited about, we're going to cover things like looking at creating an even bigger impact with what you do, right? Having the confidence and to really be able to create compelling messages for your audience. We're also going to look at how do you structure a workshop. Also, some simple and easy ways to structure your content and put together a basic workshop, right? Whether that is using storyboarding or whether that's using any of the multiple models that I've got that I talk about in the book. Next, we look at ultimately your presentation structures and how do you communicate to an audience. We're also going to look at some advanced presenting phrases that you can use to get your message across so that people go, wow, this person, I'm hooked on the edge of my seat, excited, ready to learn from them. Next thing, we're going to look at things like advanced storytelling so that you really are able to sort of get through the conscious barriers of the audience's mind and really create transformation in an easy and effortless way, so to speak. We're also going to touch on advanced body language and all that fun stuff, of course, but then we're also going to look at retention strategies and how do you make your content as memorable as possible. And we're also going to look at ultimately how do you really show up powerfully, but also if you are running events, how you can promote your events as well so that you get more business for yourself, right? So this two-day event, definitely there's going to be a lot of things that we cover that are going to really take your thought process around training to the next level and help you understand how do you take your content, whatever the content is, and really package it up in a really confident and engaging and memorable fashion. So hopefully that really just touches upon some of the things that we're going to talk about and actually practice doing at the event. So it's not going to just be a show up and learn, it's going to be a show up and practice experience as well. That's what we call a workshop, right? You're actually going to hear some concepts, you're going to practice using the concepts, and you're going to perform the concepts as well, right? So I just wanted to put this video together to let people know what's kind of going to be involved and what are you going to get out of it and why it may be valuable and create some good results for you as you go away and implement the content. I'm super excited. And if you want to find out more, drop a comment below and I'll send you through the link to sign up. And if you've been following along with my content at all, you probably have discovered I'm all about what works, not just what sounds good, right? I've been training and presenting for the last 12 years now, if not a little bit longer. And for me, I'm all about keeping it streetwise and giving you the skills, the knowledge, and the phrases to just show up differently and show up in a way that guarantees results because you're just following a formula. And at the event, I'm going to give you the formula for creating engagement. And all you need to do is follow the formula and it happens. It just happens every single time, right? And that's just drawing upon my knowledge about teaching, my knowledge about science of attention, and all these different things. And basically, based on the research I've done, just follow the formula and you're good to go. On that note, folks, thanks for watching the video. Really excited. Hopefully you'll come along, and we'd love to see you there if you are someone that wants to become the standout trainer in your industry, or just someone that wants to run at workshops and run them even better. Thanks for watching, folks, and we will see you at the event, hopefully.